Good morning, students. Welcome to English composition class. Today we are going to learn about informal letter writing. So let's begin. Students, please note, write down everything in your composition notebook. Now, students, let's have a look at the format of informal letter. Actually, there is no format while writing an informal letter, but to make you understand more better, I have prepared this. First, you have to write on the left hand side the address of the sender. That is, if you are writing a letter, you will write your own address. As informal letter has no formalities, so you will just write down the address of the sender. And on the right hand side, you will be seeing the pink box which shows that the address of the sender is written on the left hand side, and put the punctuation marks as shown. Also, you have to write full date. For example, if you are writing on 20th December, so you will write 20th December 2020. In the formal letters, we were writing salutations such as sir or madam. Now, because we are writing informal letter, and if we are writing to a friend, cousin, relative, etc., we will write dear friend or cousin or relative, etc. And after writing the address, you have to leave a line and then write this. Okay. Then last, after writing the body of the letter, that is, you will write the matter of the letter, and at last you will conclude the letter by writing in closing. You will write your loving son, friend, XYZ, any relation you are having with the receiver of the letter. Okay. Now let's begin with the first informal letter. You read an article which revealed that lack of sleep may cause number of health problems. Worried at this, write a letter to your brother telling him about poor sleeping habits of teenagers. Now you have read an article which stated that insufficient sleep will cause number of health problems, and you are worried at this. You have written this letter to your brother about informing him about the sleeping habits of teenagers nowadays. Okay, and you will make him aware. So first you will start on the left hand side with writing your own address, B106 Silver Apartments, Delhi. Okay, date is 20th December. If we are writing on 20th December, we will write 20th December. If we are writing on 1st January 2021, we will write that date. Leave a line and then write the name of your brother, that is Dear Mohit. I hope you are as busy as B as usual. I read an article related to poor sleeping habits of the teenager these days. I have seen you staying awake late at night too. We can stay up late at nights occasionally, but it must not be made a routine habit. See, staying awake at late nights can be done occasionally, but it should not be a regular habit. Sleeping is a very essential element for healthy mind and body. Here we are stating that sleeping is very necessary for a healthy mind and body. If neglected, it can lead to many ill effects. If we do not sleep well, our nervous system will get disturbed. So, if we do not sleep well, our nervous system gets disturbed. We start suffering from depression, anxiety, anger, and other ailments like heart problems, diabetes, obesity, and lack of concentration. Due to lack of sleep, we start suffering from all these problems which are given here. Apart from this, you should limit your working on computers till late nights. After all, it's your health that matters to your well being. Okay. At last, we will write, I hope you will pay heed to the words of your sister. Heed means attention. So, here, sister is writing that you will pay attention to the words which I have said in the letter. Closing of the letter will be, your loving sister, Dia. Your name can be written here. Let's see the next example. Your cousin is a brilliant student, but he or she is not keeping good health because he avoids homemade food and is fond of eating outside. Write a letter telling him or her about the harmful effects of junk food and advising him or her to maintain the good health. Now, your cousin is very brilliant, but he is avoiding homemade food and he has a habit of eating outside because he is fond of outside food. So, we have to state the harmful effects of eating junk food. If he eats junk food, he will not be able to maintain good health. So, we are making him aware. So, first, we will write the address C8 Lawrence Road, New Delhi, 20th December 2020. Leave a line and then write Dear Sunita. Whatsoever is your cousin's name, you can write down. I am fine here and I hope the same from you. In your letter, you talked about your stunning worries of not keeping good health. Means that Sunita has mentioned some of the worries. She was very worried that she is not keeping good health, and this was mentioned by her in her letter when she wrote a letter to Arpita. So she mentioned that she is not keeping good health. You have also pointed out that most of the times you are away from home. I remember you generally avoid homemade food and you are very fond of eating outside. This shows your carelessness about your health. The homemade food, which is always good for health, but you avoid it. Now, the homemade food, which is good for health, is avoided by her. The outside food you enjoy the most, but it is not good for health. We enjoy outside food, but it is not good for health. Okay. Its quality, preparation, the material used are all substandard because the seller's profit are rated high. Whatsoever is prepared outside is not of good quality because it has substandard things used because they want to earn high profits, so they use low quality things. Sub quality food will of course harm your body. You can't keep fit, and this sub quality food, that is poor quality of food, will definitely harm your body and you will not be able to keep fit. So my sincere advice to you is avoid eating outside food. Always eat homemade food. Carry your lunch with you. I guarantee you will develop a sound health. Okay? Here we will conclude by writing, please convey my compliments to uncle and aunt and love to Pooja. At last you will write closing, that is yours truly or yours loving friend Arpita. With this, we finish the examples of informal letter writing. Now it's time for worksheet. Children, you have to write down all these examples which have been shown in the video. Also, you have to write down the examples of worksheet. Okay, the first one is write a letter to your friend congratulating him or her for getting success or good result in board examinations. The next is write a letter to your friend describing how you celebrated Diwali festival. Okay. So with this we finish informal letter writing, and I hope everything is clear with informal letter writing. We will start with new topic in our next video. Thank you.